welcome back, BooTube. Today we have an unboxing with figures from House of 1,000 Corpses and Terrifier, the two clowns, Captain Spaulding and Art. As you can see, these are not children's toys. They say adult collectible, age 17 plus, because of the adult themes of violence. They're from Trick or Treat Studios, both of them. That movie art poster packaging is really creepy and terrifying. It's probably not a great time to reveal that clowns kinda make me feel uneasy. You just can't tell what they're thinking behind all that grease paint on their face. Either they want to entertain you or kill you. Here we have finger-licking, pistol-whipping Captain Spaulding. He comes with a pistol, a drumstick of chicken, and a bucket of fried chicken. Here's Bloodbath Art the Clown, which comes with a pistol himself, a knife, and a saw. Also, his trademark trash bag to store all of his accessories. Now, which one should I cut open first? Let's do Art. The sticker says, with bloody color-changing action. Just stick it in the freezer, and this is what happens. A look at the back of the card reveals more Terrifier art of Art the Clown. Here we see a shot of him before and after the bloodbath effect. The card also tells you that you can store all of Art's supplies inside of his trash bag. Now, let's cut him open. Next, we'll release him from this packaging. Here's his saw, his knife, and his pistol. Now let's put it all into his trash bag. There, Art the Clown on full display with all of his items. Let's move on to Captain Spaulding. This figure has the House of 1,000 Corpses of poster art. He's called finger-licking, pistol-whipping Captain Spaulding. He's for ages 17 and older. On the back, we get a criminal profile of Johnny Lee Johns, also known as Captain Spaulding, his known accomplices, and his weapon of choice. There are other figures in the line, including Baby, Otis, Professor, and Dr. Satan himself. You'll also find instructions to put the pistol or the chicken drumstick in his hand and squeeze his legs together for a pistol whipping action. One thing I find really cool is this little flavor text. It says, Tutti fucking fruity.
You know, I think I'm gonna get me some Tutti fucking fruity.
Now let's go ahead and rip this one out of the packaging. He comes with a drumstick of chicken. Don't forget Captain Spaulding's famous bucket of fried chicken. Also, a pistol, cause he couldn't pistol whip anyone without it. And now, the man, the myth, the legend himself, Captain Spaulding. Squeeze his legs together and he does this action. Kinda reminds me of something you have finger-licking, pistol-whipping Captain Spaulding. Let's go ahead and put him right here next to Art, the clown. And there you have these two murderous clowns. They belong together. Really nice action figures and fun to have. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this spooky unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy Halloween.